Passion is the mob of the man that commits a riot upon his...
Hi, my name is Dawn Richard, and I am here in London shooting with the amazing Joseph St. Clair, and I'm here to tell you why I switched to my new Lumia 920. One of my favorite features is the Nokia Music playlist, and it's incredible because you're able to put your own personal playlist together on the phone, and also the phone features its own playlist. Like they have featured R&B, rap, reggae, like what's their special picks, what celebs have picked, so I can kind of combine my favorite playlist with other people's playlists, and it just works perfectly. Another feature that I'm in love with, and I think I'm a little bit over-obsessive with, is the camera. I take so many pictures, and I always want my fan base to be able to see where I'm at and what I'm doing immediately. I love how you can take your pictures and take them directly to Facebook. In 20 seconds, I'm able to give my fans an up-close and personal day with me, especially being in London, and it being Fashion Week, and my album coming out at the same time. I can give them a one-on-one exclusive sitting front row and give it straight to Facebook in time for them to see it happening right on in action. So I love that about the phone, and I love the color. I'm a neon freak, so this phone just kind of fits me. I feel like we're best friends.